Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Elimelech from the Zhensk. This week's Parshas Vayigash. In Parshas Vayigash we read Vayigash kikmecha kafaro, that Judah doesn't say who approached who, but someone approached someone. Judah approached Joseph, but doesn't say who. He said that you are like a pharaoh. Now, since it doesn't say who Judah approached, could say he's approaching God. The saint is called Judah, and he approaches God in prayer to pray for himself. And he says, "Please, my Lord, do not be angry at thy servant. Rather, always increase your kindness upon me and don't look so carefully after my deeds, because you're like Pharaoh." What does that mean? How could Judah say that God is like Pharaoh? It means don't be so exacting with me. It's impossible for me to concentrate on one thing. Sometimes my mind is very strong and I can go up in my mind to the very high levels, the levels of the saint who are like you. Because if a saint decrees something, God fulfills the decree. But sometimes my mind is so weak and I'm thinking of nonsense, and then I'm like Pharaoh. I'm not saying you're like Pharaoh. I'm saying sometimes I'm like you and sometimes I'm like Pharaoh. She remembers L'klifpa, which is the letters of the neck, meaning it's a hint to external nonsense, where stiff-necked people call that. I said, why are you looking so carefully at my deeds? So therefore perform with me kindness and righteousness with Kalahavan. It's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.